Hey everyone, this is Mohammed from ForceClaw. If you run Salesforce automations for your team, you know that the backlog never ends. There's constantly a steady stream of small admin tickets that's piling up. ForceClaw closes that gap. It connects to the tools you already use and turns those tickets into working Salesforce automations automatically. Let me show you exactly what that looks like. I'm going to take a real Jira ticket and have ForceClaw build the whole thing out from start to finish. Let's get started. This is the ticket that I'm looking at. The problem is one that almost every revenue team has. Reps forget to update the close date when they win a deal, and then reporting is skewed because the data is stale. The ask is to take that off the rep entirely. The moment an opportunity moves to closed won, the system sets the close date automatically. This is simple to describe, but in practice it means writing a flow, picking the right trigger, testing it, and then deploying it. That's the work that I want to hand off to ForceClaw. I'm going to go to ForceClaw here and click on the dashboard. Once I'm in the dashboard, there's a Jira option in the left-hand toolbar. From here, I can click Connect Jira and establish my connection. I'm already signed into Jira, so it connects without asking for credentials. If you're not signed in, it will prompt you to log in first. I'm going to click Accept and finish the connection. Here's the part that matters here. ForceClaw connects as me. It inherits my Jira permissions exactly. It can only see and touch what I already have access to, nothing more. So you're not handing an agent the keys to everything. It operates inside your existing security model. Now, I'll point it at the ticket. I'll ask it to take a look at FI73 and complete the story. So I'm going to open up ForceClaw here. I want to say, take a look at FI73 and complete the story. First, it should fetch the Jira story, read the requirement, and pull the existing metadata around that requirement. So let's see. Okay, so it's fetching the story. Now it should be reading the opportunity object and the metadata around the opportunity object and try to come up with a plan on how to implement the story. Okay, so it's looking at the Apex trigger that we have. Perfect for before. Okay, so it's saying this is a simple requirement that's perfect for a before save flow, which is exactly what we wanted to see here. It creates a diagram for us to look at, which shows us the behavior of the flow, which is excellent also for documentation. And then it tells us what the flow will look like, the trigger, the action, why before save works in a scenario. So I'm going to say yes. And now it's going to actually execute this plan and create the flow for me in Salesforce. Okay, perfect. The flow has been created and activated. Okay, now it's posting to the Jira story. And it's going to move this Jira story to done. Okay, so let's go to the Jira story and refresh the story. The story isn't done. There's a comment that highlights the changes that we made on the story, the flow, the trigger point, the action, and some more technical details around the flow. There's also a link to the flow here in Dev. And there's also a link to the flow here in Slack, which is very helpful. And that pretty much wraps up this recording.